Hola, 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 bienvenidos. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video, guys.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come.
Okay, so when we start in my front porch, there's a welcome sign that welcomes you. Sorry guys if it's super bright. There's also an Easter sign here. Easter bunny stops here. Indeed, please do bring us some eggs. And then there are my black and white IKEA, what is it called? This whole set is from IKEA, except that is from Goodwill. People love this. It's just so bright and so joyful. And the spring wreath, and it says here comes spring. This has been with me for like 2 years now. I got it at the Dollar Tree, and this is also from the Dollar Tree. Can you imagine? It looks like a Walmart item, and this is also from the Dollar Tree, and it was only $5, guys. The blessedness is from, oh, I think, I'm not quite sure, but I got it last year. It was super clean, but you know, kids in their shoes. So this is my front porch. Let's go inside. Let's go. When you enter my entryway, this is what it looks like. It's simple. I don't want to bore you with boredom, but you know, I really want a spring here. But I think this is super cute. The bunny welcomes you with the mama bunny with her baby bunny, and also the flowers are from, let's see, those flowers are from Michael's, and the vase is from let's see, Hobby Lobby. The love stars here is from Didi Mampas. She's a home decor lover and one of my very good friends here on YouTube. And you can purchase this on Amazon. I will leave the link below for you guys. My IKEA. Also mirror. Since we're not doing a regular home tour, we're doing a spring one. I don't want to tell you guys the things that are boring. So when you enter, you are welcome to the new addition in my home. It's my family wall gallery. I feel like I should add more going down, but so far this is what I have. It comes with a remote control and it lights up. Let me show you guys how I light that up. 1 second. Okay guys, so you get to turn it off like this and light up. I will also put the link below for you guys. The IKEA wall gallery. If you're interested, let me know. But I will also put the link, I think, in a different video. I don't know when the video will come out, but I'm doing a video regarding this wall gallery, so stay tuned for that. On the wall, usually there's nothing here, but I put my Pampers Christ, and I think it looks super, super, super cute. Simple, and it also brings so much fresh air here, breath of fresh air, I meant. And this is my hallway, or should I say entryway. Now let's go into the living room, guys. So guys, stay tuned for my other video. It's gonna come up for my upstairs home tour, so stay tuned, because I have different different floor upstairs that I also decorate for spring, so stay tuned for that. Usually my pillows are here, but I move them here. I love this. I bought this for spring. The what is it called? Throw blanket right here. Keep it very simple. It still covers you. It's still breathable. It's not so thick. So this is perfect for spring and summer, until you want your thicker ones for fall and winter. Kept the table, nothing on the table. Listen, we are realistic here. As you know, we practice minimalism. So we use that table for coffee, for tea, whatever. Guests can put their drinks there. Yellow stems are from, let's say, Michael's, and my blue vase is from Goodwill. Can you imagine? It reminds me of Pottery Barn. It reminds me of so many different stores. I can't think of it in the top of my head right now. Studio McGee also has something very similar. I just love that. I kept it very simple, Pampers grass with a bunny there. Let's come closer. And I hide my remotes there, so it blends in with everything. Another remote for the light, and I have a lighter that I use to light up my candles, so I can grab it quickly. Some candles, simple, right there. Now let's turn towards the kitchen. I truly do not like doing long videos now. You guys have shown me that you love when the videos are short. You get to everything quicker instead of doing long, boring videos. Showing thousands of things that you're not necessarily need to see. So this is why I'm dividing this video into two. So stay tuned to see the upstairs one. I will definitely be back with that. Click on that subscribe button if you have not yet subscribed. I wanted to add something on this table. I like it very boring, very plain. As you guys follow me very often, you know that I only have those there and I keep it very simple, but I wanted to add something very springy. But who knows, by tonight or tomorrow this might go, because I get lots of anxiety when I have things on countertop. If you know what I mean, you know what I mean. Let me come closer for you guys. So it says spring is in the air. Give me a second. Okay, that's better. It says spring is in the air. I have some pampas grass and the yellow candle, just super cute. The candle smells so good. Also from IKEA. IKEA has become my store now. This 2022 has just been going there so very frequently with my sister-in-law. We love that store. Also wanted to put some glass and some spring, florals. These are from two different stores. One is from Hobby Lobby and the other one, this I think is from Walmart, if I'm not mistaken. Let's go in the back there. I love what I did back there. Let's go. Okay guys, so I love this little corner of my kitchen. As you know, I don't have any mugs. I don't have anything fancy. I keep everything very simple. Coffee maker, rice cooker, none of that. Everything goes into the cabinet, but I have my towel, my kids and their hands, and my husband. It's like we need a hand towel, like we have to be realistic. But I also wanted to add a little greenery. My cutting boards, I am obsessed. I have 3 of them. Gladys, it's not necessary, but you know what? It's just decor. You can remove it, you can add it. It's just I place it down like that so I can put my stuff on it instead of all 3 being there. Super cute. And right here, you just have a bowl with some fruit in it. That's it. When you're in the kitchen, as you hear the fridge making all the noise, this is what you see from the kitchen. This is why I really wanted to add something here, because it's super cute. I super love that. And also, if you're interested, it's the same light that's in the hallway there, that's there. So this is what basically it looks like. Simple, nothing much, but still decorated for spring. If you tell me this is that's not enough decor, then you and I can be really friends. But if you tell me, this is enough, a lot of decor, I feel you, because I feel like usually if I have something on the table, I don't have something there. If I have something there, I don't have something on the table. But today, if you truly know me, you know that I'm trying, because I added so much stuff. Usually, I don't do that. And I didn't show you guys this because it's nothing springy, but I love this vase. It looks like a Studio Miggy vase, but it's a Goodwill vase. Also, I'm a budgetista, so shopping on the budget is my heart.